Hey there. I'm doing this short video, and this is a brief video of how I just stopped need people to not be so brainwashed. It's okay. I'm good, and I'm gonna be alright. It's just that these days, it's hard to find somebody that is not brainwashed by the system. There are a whole lot of agendas, and I'm doing this brief video because I have to bring awareness to the need to meet and connect to strong people who are not brainwashed by the system. There's all kinds of systems. And at this moment in time, it's a whole lot of things. I'm not going to get into those things in this video. This is just a brief, just maybe somebody can pray into this or DM me on what I really mean and maybe comment, and because I really want to connect, or at least have somebody, we don't have to be friends, that will be alive to watch my videos. I'm just saying, I just need people alive to watch my videos. That's all. I didn't ask a lot. It's just I didn't ask for a friend, and that's what this other situation would happen almost 2 years. It's just I just wanted to see if they could, somebody watch my videos. Alive to watch my videos. And that's somebody that I know that might be in agreement with what I have on my videos to watch my videos. Anyway, that's all I'm going to say about that. And at this point, I just need to pray harder, because I keep referring back to that situation that happened back in 2022. Was that 2022? It's just some years back, and I don't know. It's just so much to deal with right now. But I got serious videos, and I'm really gonna share, and I have a lot on my mind, and y'all have a blessed day.
Please don't forget to check in the description of this video, where I have my P.O Box and have a way where you can correspond with me. Okay, and that would be it. Please check out the description. I always put something in the description of my videos. All right.